EagleRidge, expert kitchen remodeling and renovation in Riverton, Utah. EagleRidge proudly delivers exceptional kitchen remodeling and renovation services in Riverton, Utah. 84065-84096. We specialize in transforming kitchens into spaces that perfectly balance style, functionality, and quality craftsmanship. Our process starts with a free estimate and consultation, allowing us to understand your vision. From there, we meticulously plan and execute your renovation using premium materials such as custom countertops, cabinetry, and innovative storage solutions. Our comprehensive services include custom kitchen remodeling for tailored designs that reflect your preferences, kitchen makeovers and upgrades to refresh and modernize your space, new kitchen construction and extensions for added space and functionality. We also offer specialized features like 3D kitchen design, custom cabinet installation, granite countertops, and advanced lighting solutions to bring your dream kitchen to life. From flooring to backsplash installations, appliance integration to energy-efficient upgrades, we handle every aspect with precision. Choose EagleRidge for your kitchen remodeling needs in Riverton, where quality, transparency, and attention to detail ensure your satisfaction. For all your kitchen remodeling needs in Riverton, Utah, 84065-84096. Contact EagleRidge at 801-784-1457 or visit EagleRidgePros.com.